Hello everyone. Today we are going to go over our another add-in called as storm drainage calculator. That means no more exporting roof plans, no more hand calculations on those printed PDFs, and then having to juggle with a lot of Excel files. This does everything inside Revit, and that means even if the roof boundary changes, we can always do those calculations seamlessly and effortlessly. So let's jump into this. Before we jump into our add-in, there are two steps that we will need to do. First of them is to place roof drains on a roof plan. Followed by that, we will be creating field regions to represent the horizontal roof areas. And these field regions are nothing but a detailing item category with any of the hatching pattern that does not matter. Once we put a roof drain and then horizontal area covering, we will make sure that all the field regions that are horizontal will have this parameter checked called as WSVPL storm area 100%. And we will do that for all of the roof drains as well. What that means is all these horizontal areas will get accounted as 100% towards our catchment area. Once we are done with the horizontal area, we will create a section plan. And in those sections plans, we will do similarly, put more field regions, and then we will assign them to the correct parameter. If we are accounting 50%, then we will check the 50% parameter. And if there is any wall that is all overlapped, then we can check this 0%. So depending upon the wall, we will select the appropriate parameters. And last step is going to be that when we are selecting any of these roof drains, we will put the name of that roof drain in the comments parameter. We will do similarly for those field regions as well. We will put the roof drain name in its comment. Basically, adding will be looking for this information from the comments and then basically matching those. Once we are done with all, we will go open the add-in. Once the add-in is open, you can see first it is asking us what kind of a sizing model we will be using for these calculations. We have two options, UPC and IPC. Let's select IPC for now. Here, whatever our target slope is for those horizontal drains, we will select that. Then we will select whatever the state that the project is in, followed by the city. Here, I like to highlight that these the rainfall rates are based on the sizing model. So please verify with your local county, and you can always manually override these as well. Here, the roof drain category we are going to use is going to be mechanical equipment. For this add-in, we have to use a specific roof drain, and it should be available in your C drive in WSP Revit add-in folder. And inside that, there should be another folder called as storm drain folder. But if you have any other family that you need for a specific project, please reach out to us and we can help you with the parameters that specific family will need to work with this add-in. Once we select that roof drain category, if you want to resize those roof drains, we can select that and all these calculations will automatically resize those drains. But if you don't want to resize just to have a look at it, then in that case, you will keep it unchecked. After that, it is asking what are the parameters that could be used for matching field region with the roof drain. So here, like I said, we can use comments, but if there is any other plumbing fixture parameter that you are using for tagging purposes, you can select that over here as well. Once that's done, next one is resize associated pipe work. There could be associated pipe work, then those could be modified as well based on our calculations. For that, I'm keeping it as it is now. I do not want it to be resized. So let's create a schedule. I'll be calling this schedule, let's say 2. And then do we want it to be exported to Excel? Let's say yes and hit OK. Give it a couple of minutes. Export completed. Please check the Excel file saved on your desktop. And here we go. We have the roof drain comment as a section. All these roof drains are here. What is their rainfall rate that was considered for these calculations, followed by how much was the horizontal area. Then we can see we have assigned some vertical areas as well. Then depending upon that, we did calculate the total area, followed by we have storm flow. This is basically the total flow that are going to go through those roof drains. And based on that, and the code that we selected at the beginning, this is the calculated size. And then followed by that, this is the current size. So we can either choose to update this manually or we can rerun that add-in